Got a fun note. Just getting ready to leave Tieke. One of my crew members, Lucas, from Switzerland. Nicole, kia ora. So, spent the night here, Tieke. Yeah, awesome evening. Just getting ready to leave. What you doing hiding over there, Woody? He's trying to hide behind a pole. There's the cuzzy there, Woody! Hey! Cheers! Some of the guys that are coming down with us as well, some of the Canadians. A few Auckland crew over there. Some of the teachers. Just getting their gear ready, getting ready to boost. Hey guys, it was nice to have met you. You have a safe trip, eh? Yeah, might see you along the river there somewhere.